Okay, let's try the top lot here. Big iron. All right. A little bit of foil there. Little low tone here. Right there, a little bit of foil. You know, with the X35 coil, it's a lot more sensitive to that big iron, you know, because I'm in lower frequencies. It's a lot more sensitive to that big iron. So it's not, doesn't do nearly as good in the top lots, right? See, look at how much I'm hitting that already, right? I'm not far away from that big iron, right? With the higher frequency coil, I can get underneath those tight spots. And with the loop earrings, this coil doesn't hit on those loop earrings very well. The HF coil hits on them a lot better, right? That's deep iron right there. That's deep iron. And the X35 coil hits on those fabric staples, those landscape fabric staples underneath the wood chips here, right? A lot more. But I've just learned what that tone is, right? See, right there, something right here. Sounds like a pull tab or something. A tight tone, right? It's a pull tab right there. Jim and I haven't been to this top lot in a while. There's a pretty big top lot here too. The last time we were here, I found a silver pendant up there in the forest and some other jewelry. And I found a skeleton key on the curb strip out there. This is a fairly old park, so. A lot of foil, yeah. A bit of iron here. A little bit of iron. Sounds like a paper clip or something. So I get a lot of grunts on the iron here. So it's a little bit harder to pinpoint with this coil here, right? It could be a small earring too, though, but it sounds like iron, right? Probably a paper clip, staple, right there. Staple. Looks like a thin staple. Nope, no coins yet. Some iron here too. Another staple. Right there. Some foil. Right there. Some big iron there, right?
to run your mouth. Took me forever to
Escape all
find
paper
it,
clip? Yeah.
I never found one like before.
Really? Oh wow, a whole bunch of mushrooms in this one too. They're just everywhere, everywhere. Look at this stuff. These mushrooms, man, in the top lots. Look at them. They're everywhere. Big iron, right? Big iron. Big iron. Under the tree here.
Jimmy, what's this, you think?
Some foil. Let me see with this one. It's some foil.
Could be a ring, you think?
Right there. It could be a small ring, right? Right there, a little bit of foil, right there. No? A little bit of foil. Check around this tree here. This one's really interesting me. All right. Getting a weird tone on it. It's just some deeper iron. Right. Some iron. You know, my ground balance is off here, so this is some hot soil here. So I'll have to drop my ground balance down a little bit. It's actually, oh man. Oh, I'm in the wrong frickin' mode here. I'm in the wrong program. Oh man. I was doing some testing earlier. Shoot. I was doing some testing earlier and I forgot which program I was in. See, look at this, see? Some iron right there, right? That was actually the 5x9 hot program. My program that I use for my 5x9 coil, right? I was just in the wrong mode this whole time. It was sounding kind of weird. Once I got over that big iron though, it sounded kind of weird, so well, didn't realize I was in the wrong mode. Hot program, just stock hot program here, right? Now I can get next to this big iron here, watch. See? See? Watch. Get next to this big iron. Right? I don't want to be in deep program in the top lots because there's so much iron here. See, watch this. I'll go up to that area again in deep program underneath the top lot there, and I'll show you how much different it is. Right? This is just a stock program. And I'll come over here to this area where I was just in. Hot program, it doesn't, see? A lot quieter here, right? A lot quieter here, right? Now I'll come over next to this slide here where I was just at, watch. I can get a lot closer to that iron without it hitting on it, right? The deep program is good for the smaller coil, not this powerful coil. The X35 is a lot more powerful coil, so you don't want to overpower it, especially in top lots because there's so much big iron, right? No coins yet, but you never know. Go for these Eppies. Hairpin, bobby pin right there. All right. Earrings sound like that too. Little earring sound, just very similar to that. Right. Another hairpin here. There's some junk, right? It didn't change on me, so. Jim's digging out a target right over there with the HF coil where I just passed up. What is it?
Yeah, I don't know.
Jim found that with the HF coil. It's it's jewelry right there.
Cut the peel off of the bracelet.
It's a silver frickin'. It's a silver frickin' bracelet right there. Part of a clasp to a silver bracelet. That this X35 coil skipped up because that can get the small stuff, right? That HF coil can get a lot smaller stuff. I went over that spot twice. I may have not gone over it directly, but
run it under here.
Hear that? Listen to mine right here. Yeah. Sound almost the same, huh?
Yeah.
Crazy, man. A little bit of silver right there. Jim found some silver. Right on. Big time, man.
You went under that?
Huh?
You went under that?
Yeah, twice.
Well, why didn't that coil pick it up?
I don't know. I may have been just swinging too fast, or he's, lucky.
Oh, I could barely hear it.
It's silver. It's silver right there, man. Big time, and it's broken too. It has a broken thing on it, so definitely silver, 100%. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.